Here we discuss the solution of a problem from the section Matrix Algebra. This problem has appeared in JEE main exam held on 22nd July 2021 in the afternoon shift. The problem is, let A is a 3 by 3, A is equal to Aij be a real matrix of order 3 by 3 such that AI1 plus AI2 plus AI3 is equal to 1 for I is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then the sum of all entries of the matrix A cube is equal to, the four options are given. We are given a 3 by 3 real matrix where the sum of the entries in each row is 1. Then we have to find the sum of all entries of the matrix A cube. We have this capital a 3 by 3 matrix, and where the sum of each row, the sum of the entries in each row is 1. That is, every row sum is 1. The sum of the entries in each row of A is 1 if and only if A11 plus A12 plus A13 is equal to 1. That is, the sum of entries in the first row is 1. And similarly, the second row sum is 1. Third row sum is 1. This is if and only if the matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, this is the 3 by 3 matrix multiplied by the column vector 1, 1, 1, you get this part, is equal to this vector, that is 1, 1, 1. This is if and only if this is A. So let us say this column vector as x. Ax is equal to x, where x is the column vector 1, 1, 1. So thus we have proved this result. The result is the sum of the entries in each row of A, the matrix capital A, is 1 if and only if Ax is equal to x, where x is equal to the column vector 1, 1, 1. So the sum of the entries in each row of A is 1. Then this happens when Ax is equal to x, where x is equal to the column vector 1, 1, 1, then the sum of the entries in each row of A is 1. So this is a necessary and sufficient condition what we have derived. So we have this matrix. The row sum of every row sum is 1. Then we proved this result. The sum of the entries in each row of A is 1 if and only if Ax is equal to x, where x is the column vector 1, 1, 1. Now, A square x is equal to A multiplied by Ax. Now, Ax is x. This is equal to Ax, but Ax is equal to x. This is equal to x. And if you apply A cube x, that is A multiplied by A square x, but we have proved A square x is equal to x. So Ax, but Ax is equal to x is equal to x. So that means what we have proved is A square x is x, A cube x is equal to x. So A cube x is equal to x. Apply this above result. This implies the sum of the entries in each row of A cube is 1. That is, the sum of the entries in the first row in A cube is 1, second row is 1, third row is 1 in A cube. So the sum of all the entries of the matrix A cube is obtained, that is equal to the sum of the entries in the first row plus the sum of the entries in second row plus the sum of the entries in third row. But the sum of the entries in each row is 1. So this will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that is 3. So we got now the sum of all the entries of the matrix A cube as 3, and in the options the 3 answer is appearing again as the option 3. Therefore our answer is option 3. So that is the discussion of the solution of a problem from the matrix algebra, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.